Hello to all designers and followers of Ladybirdesigner. One of the main challenges in pattern making is opening up necklines, like the U-neckline, ensuring they don't gape and are designed beautifully and flawlessly. In this tutorial, we will not only learn how to implement your desired U-neck on the basic pattern, but also explore important technical tricks such as darting for the neckline and squaring off the neckline corners. By the end of this video, I guarantee your garment's neckline will sit perfectly clean and without flaw, just like the examples you see in the images. If you're interested in these delicate and professional styles, make sure to stay with me until the end of the video. To begin, I first copied my basic bodice pattern, the full tutorial, for which I previously taught you, and you can find its link in the description. I made copies for both the back pattern and the front pattern to get ready to start designing our neckline. If you're interested in these delicate and professional styles, make sure to stay with me until the end of the video. For the neckline opening at the shoulder, you can either leave it as is or reduce it by a maximum of 1 centimeter. However, this measurement is entirely subjective and can be increased further depending on your desired style and the neckline's depth. For the neckline depth, we can mark 7 to 12 centimeters. This section, too, depending on the neckline's opening in the design we're creating, might be deeper, but this is its standard range. Now, to design the neckline curve, we first draw the initial 2 to 3 centimeters as a squared-off straight and perpendicular to the center line section. And then, we connect this squared-off line very smoothly and continuously to the neck corner, the neckline opening point at the shoulder, to create a seamless and beautiful curve. Now it's time to design the neckline facing. To do this, we mark for 6 centimeters from the neck corner. From the neckline opening, the deepest point of the neckline on the CF line center front line, we also mark for 6 centimeters. After these markings, we need to design the facing exactly according to the shape of the neckline itself to ensure a perfect and clean match. And under no circumstances should you draw this line straight, as it will make the neckline shape look bad and messy. Okay, just so you fully understand that you should not design this facing section as a straight line, I'm going to demonstrate or perform this for you practically. This point is crucial to ensure the facing perfectly follows the neckline shape. See how bad, messy, incorrect it turned out. So remember, for designing the facing correctly, you should either use a curved ruler like a French curve to achieve a smooth and precise curve, or, like me, you can accurately mark the facing amount, for example, for 6 centimeters at various points, and then manually and carefully connect those points to draw its curve. As you can see, we can design the facing in 2 ways or 2 methods. Whichever is easier for you, go ahead and do that, and rest assured that your neckline facing will be clean and precise. Now, we make a copy of the neckline facing that we just designed. In this section, I'm going to tell you an important tip. If you are using a pattern other than the basic pattern I taught you, you absolutely must take a 0.5 to 1 centimeter dart ease tuck here. Since I have already accounted for and applied these darts in my own basic pattern, I no longer need it here. Alright, now we move on to the back pattern. To start, we first mark the same neckline opening from the shoulder as the front neckline, the amount we reduced from the shoulder on the front pattern onto the back pattern as well. Next, from the CB line center back, we mark 1 to 2 centimeters. For this section as well, you can open it further depending on your preference and the dress design, but its standard amount is just 1 to 2 centimeters. Now, we connect these 2 points with a soft curve to shape the back neckline. Now it's time to design the back facing. We mark the same facing width as the front facing from the shoulder. On the CB line center back, we also mark 6 to 8 centimeters. And then, we connect these points with a soft curve. Don't forget to draw the initial 1 to 2 centimeters straight squared off to ensure the back facing is also clean and well-shaped. Alright, dear Ladybird designer artists and designers, we've reached the end of today's exciting tutorial. I truly hope that with all the tricks and technical tips you learned for drafting a flawless, gape-free U-neckline, you can now sew garments with incredibly clean and professional necklines. Now it's your turn to showcase your creativity. If you found this video helpful and benefited greatly from it, please like it and share it with your sewing friends. Subscribe to the Ladybird Designer channel and activate the bell icon so you don't miss future tutorials. Lots of new ideas are on the way. Be sure to tell me in the comments what challenges you've faced with open necklines or what you'd like the next tutorial to be about. Until the next tutorial and another exciting design, I bid you farewell. Always be beautiful and creative.